Hey, how's it going, everybody? Charlie Wilson here, aka Sinister Charlie. Welcome back. This is the second time I'm going to try to record this. There wasn't so much noise going on. The damn dogs won't shut up. Uh, um, yeah, so we've got some Hololive clips. I'm thinking I'm going to, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah, I was releasing stuff at like either anywhere from 2 to 3 a.m. my time, Arizona time. But that might change. So if you don't see anything until like 5, 6, 7 in the morning, just letting you know. My schedule's all wiggly wonkily. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is. But yeah, we'll still do these, and it'll be fun. We'll have a great time. Great time. Losing it. Yeah, so Kronii is dangerously, and there's a cat outside, isn't there? Guess we'll push through. It's like I don't know. I get OCD about noise. There's a cat outside. I feed the cats outside. You know, they're stray cats, but I can't take them in. But so if you're a cat, that's what that is. All right, let's just get into it.
My gift to you is that you can call me anytime.
Wow.
Anything.
I don't know who this girl is.
Anything.
I know Kronii, but
I know.
the other one I don't.
You have the opportunity to be in a collab with me very soon. Even now, I don't care. Hit me up.
Okay. Wow, what a gift. So amazing.
What a
The most perfect
deal.
gift. Thank you so much, Kronii, for coming today.
Of course. By the way,
That's that laugh.
good concert.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Your love forever.
Love OMG, love forever. Thank you for
Yes.
watching.
Of course. my favorite. Oh wait.
Uh-oh.
One of my many
Yeah, I
favorite
didn't.
birds.
Yeah, you don't
There
want
we
to.
go. Whew.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
Oh,
okay.
Who is not gonna kill me? That's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, yeah.
That could have been bad.
Have a good day, Kronii. Thanks for
Okay.
coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ooh,
What's Gura doing back there?
wow. Almost. Ooh, dodged the bullet there.
Yeah. That owl was gonna rip you apart.
Okay.
Oh, my favorite outro. And you do stuff too. Beep, bop, boom.
I need to get you to play a game.
Oh? Which one?
It's called Wolf Quest.
Oh, I heard of
You do
that.
very
I don't
well
know
in
what
it.
that is.
What's that?
Wolf.
It's like wolf
Okay.
roleplay.
Nah, it's
You're
okay.
fine.
I'm
I don't
good.
think there's been really
Nothing funny?
No, the last funny one I've sent to like anyone in EN is like Gura. I was like, look at this, and I showed her this game. That's the one made. Where people have to guess between our voices. I played it. I got 10 out of 10. It looks easy.
Wow.
It looks easy.
Oh, did you fail, Mame?
I haven't played it yet.
Did you fail?
Okay.
Are you a failure?
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course.
There's like,
You
know,
better
they
get
play,
that.
they play really short sounds of Mame and Gura. And
Oh, I
you guess
actually
Mame
that
and
sounds
Gura.
pretty fun.
So crazy. If you fail, it's a sign you have to go to the doctor.
No, some of them are really
The
actually
glove thing,
rough.
still, I think it's weird. I know why they do it. It's just weird.
You know bird up.
What's the word? A bird up?
Bird up.
Bird Up, the worst show on television.
There you go.
Oh, I only know up dog.
Okay. Yeah, you should do it.
It doesn't sound like up dog. What's up, dog? Nothing much. She got me.
Good
Got me.
job.
I can't believe it.
Oh, this is Ghost of
I mean,
Tsushima.
they're around the same
I never finished Ghost of Tsushima.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't call us that by privilege.
Dun, da, da, da. Another good outro. Dun, da, dun, 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 dun.
Well, I vaguely remembered. You vaguely remembered.
I
you have an
vaguely.
accent, and so do I. You can't make fun of mine.
Yeah, but everyone keeps making fun of mine.
Say, oh no.
No.
Oh no.
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 I know.
I could talk really heavily in my accent if you actually want to make fun
A
of it. because
dusty
it is
bogan.
funny.
No.
Oh,
I
no?
think it's cute.
Oh, you think it's cute?
Oh, yeah.
What do you? If you want to call something cute in my accent, you.
Someone was saying that people are saying she's from Minnesota. I'm thinking, yeah, probably Minnesota. Wisconsin, not really. There's no. It's very. Wisconsin's very sharp. Minnesota is very like, oh boy, oh geez, you're going out taking the boat there. It's
Say,
nice.
oh, for cute.
Oh,
for
yeah.
cute.
Oh, yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
For cute. Except you say for like fur.
Oh, for cute.
Oh, for cute. I don't know what that means, but it just means that's cute, basically.
Yeah.
Or
Verklempt.
oofda.
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 Oofda. Does that mean big oof?
Yeah, literally.
Oh, yeah.
It's literally big. Oh my god, you're a genius. I never put that together. Oofda.
Whoa, what the hell?
She's an owl.
Okay.
I'm a rock. You can yeet rocks at owls and. I just.
Did my? I think this is my watch later list. Why did it do that? Oh well, I guess. Did I reach the end of the list? All right, well let's keep going.
Oh, hi. Is that what you said?
That never happens.
You have to look away. It's like we're in a men's bathroom.
There's no way I reached the end of the watch later
Yeah,
list.
yeah. Wait, excuse me, sir. You are not doing the one stall rule or whatever. Please, I need space. That's a rule. I think so.
Oh, we
Right?
watched the
All
animated thing of
all
this.
TikTok videos tell the truth, right?
But I mean,
Yeah,
it's
sure.
only conversation. Isn't that something that they do?
No.
Okay, there was like a
You don't talk at the urinal. That's a big no-no. Unless you're like the person, I guess maybe. If you're like that.
diagram of like urinals. It was like you need to leave one space
Sure.
in between the urinals because if you move in, it gets awkward. No matter what, no matter how
matter
many people, you
what.
have to have a space
Really?
in between. Yeah.
Even if there's a line, why not just space the urinals apart more?
They
I don't
do
know. TikTok
sometimes.
didn't tell me.
Oh no, she uses TikTok.
That's how I get all my information.
That's how I get it.
Smart.
But I heard from a family member, they went into a urinal. It was crowded, I guess. And this old guy, how many urinals are there in bathrooms? Like 5 or something?
I don't know.
Okay, so there's one.
Like 3
You never
in a
been the
normal
boys'
bathroom.
No, have you?
I have accidentally been in the boys' bathroom one time. I think my sibling was waiting in line. Like, they don't put their pants down. They have zippers, you know? But the
Sure.
old guy put his pants down, and everybody saw his butt.
Oh, wait, what?
Maybe in the
It's-
olden days, they didn't have zippers.
Honestly, it's a power move. If you just throw your pants completely down at the urinal, it's a power move. It's hard to pull off. I tend to go over the fence rather than through it, but that's just me.
Uh-huh.
So
I
there
feel
was
more
an older
comfortable like
man,
that.
And he didn't use a zipper. He just,
Wait, they don't have to. Wait, hold on. So, wait, like, you
Wait,
just have
wait.
to unzip and let go? Is that it?
Isn't that why, guys? I'm pretty sure that's. Well, we have zippers too, though.
Yeah. So it just goes through the zipper?
Some people do
What?
that.
Yes. Cause wait, I don't want to think about this. Never mind. Don't worry about this.
Never mind, okay.
Okay, well, I guess that's it. Unless they're, oh boy, it hurts so good. Let's just watch this real quick.
Well,
What's this all
I
about?
think I'm gonna get ready for bed because it's late for me, Mume Senpai.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Are you going to wear pajamas?
Pajamas?
No, it's cold in my house, so I'm actually gonna take my clothes off.
But it's cold.
Okay.
Yeah, but not under my sheets. But I have
see.
to. I'm wearing clothes right now because it's cold.
Oh, I see. Usually you would not.
I usually like to be as lightly dressed as possible, but I live with my family, so they
Yes,
don't
I was
really
going to
appreciate.
say.
So usually I'm at least wearing like a shirt dress, right? But sleeping.
What's a shirt dress?
No clothes. Never. They suffocate me. I can't handle feeling socks around my ankles.
What about those cute little like nightgown, sort of.
No, I feel the pulling on my skin from the fabric. It's
Mm,
a weird
fabric.
thing.
I will give you my roommate advice,
Oh,
which
boy.
is to tell yourself you like things that you don't actually like. So tell yourself instead of them suffocating you, it's just a nice little hug.
No, I don't like being hugged to the point
No.
of suffocation. Of like my blood circulation getting cut off, you know what I mean?
Tell yourself you like that.
Oh,
You love the feeling of your blood circulation being cut off. Ooh, especially in your ankles.
no!
It hurts so good.
Some
hurts
some
so
pain is
good.
good and
Wait, what's
hurts
wrong
good.
with you?
It's movie advice.
All right. All right, I guess we're watching this again. I guess we're watching this. I don't think we've
Only
seen this.
melted cheese. Solid cheese is gross. I don't know how people can eat just solid, straight up cheese.
Yeah, you
Mac and
gross
mac and
cheese
cheese
eaters.
is delicious. I love mac and cheese because it's melted. I like cheesecake. Yeah, cheesecake is great. I love
Sounds like you like a lot
someone
of
told me
cheese
is
things.
good in ramen. I'm afraid. Don't be
Ew,
afraid.
ew.
It's good. I
No.
told you too. You guys should try American cheese in your ramen. Look it up.
No.
It's a thing. I
No,
don't
thanks.
like American cheese on burgers. I don't like American
I'm no
cheese
longer a pebble.
anywhere else but ramen. People put American cheese in their ramen all the time. It's a very Asian
No,
thing, and
that's
it's good.
gross.
It's not gross. Don't say it's gross.
It's
until you
gross.
try it.
I used to be scared to like be awake at certain times. I was scared of ghosts.
Oh.
So I was like, I can't look at the clock. If it's exactly 3 a.m., I can't look at the clock.
I do that now. What is it? I do that with 444.
444.
4 is
444.
unlucky. So what I do, like, I make wishes at when it's like 111.
Well,
you make a wish.
the
Or
11:11
it's
thing, people
2:22,
do
you
that.
make a wish. I do that every time I see that happening, but you don't make a wish at 444 because
444.
4 means death in Japanese and it's unlucky. So I will not look at the clock when it is 444.
Okay. Well, I guess we're done. I think something happened with my watch later list. Usually it doesn't do that. But anyway, yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. Please likey and subscribey down below. And if you got any suggestions, put them in the comments. I do read comments. I do talk to you guys. I do like talking to you guys. Which is why when I get to the new place at the end of the month, hopefully I'll be able to do some live streaming. Probably a lot of video games, I'm assuming. Maybe some anime watch stuff over on Rumble, because you can get away with it on Rumble. Can't really do it on here. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you had a great weekend. Start of the week, you know. And yeah, bye.